guys, welcome back to another episode of how to make a clicker simulator tutorial. So what we will be learning today is how we will make gradients and how we will make a points label thing. Okay, so the first step is click starter GUI. Open your click GUI or whatever you name your GUI in the last episode. Click your text button and press plus and put a UI gradient. And for this, you need to make your background color 1 for white. Now UI gradients are for like color changing UI, like this is light blue and then all the way down here it's a little bit darker, like I'll put an image of what it looks like. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And you need to select your color first, the top color. I will choose this color and I'll copy the HTML, this hex thing. Okay, and click all the way to this triangle. Click the color, paste your color, and then you need to make it darker a bit and then press OK. Close it. There you have it. And then we need to make the rotation of it 90, right? Okay, 90. And we need to make the text. Okay, so if you want the text to be white and not like this, you need to follow my steps of. Okay, you do not need to do anything with this. You can just delete the text transparency 1, and you need to make a new text label. So you need to press at the size, put 1, then it will fully scale the UI and fully cover the whole button. And you need to make background transparency 1, then you need to scale it and then put whatever text you want, like that. It's black for now, and put a font you would like. I did Fredoka 1 last time and I'm gonna use it again. Text color white, which is 1, you just put 1 and then it will become white. Now in the screenshot I put, there is like a little outline here. So how you can do that is go to your button, press plus and put UI stroke. Click that and you need apply stroke mode. Change it to border. Then you choose the color you would like. Mostly it's the gradient, the darkest gradient color, but darker. So copy this, close it, stroke, color, put that in, and I'll just make this darker. And the thickness, oh yeah, we need to make sure is scaled size. Click that. It might look bizarre right now, but all you have to do is put 0.0 and then put 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever you like, 1 to your liking. So 2, 3, 4. I think I like 3. Yeah, I like 3. Then there's a stroke here. There's UI stroke, like a border outline. So yeah, but if you want to make like a drop shadow, like an extra thing here, you can just like add a frame, put the size to 1 again, and make sure you duplicate your UI corner by clicking Control C, Control V. I think Control C, Control V. Never mind. So Control D to duplicate it. Okay. So now you have to put your UI corner in that frame for it to be the same as your text button. And this time we're gonna get a stroke color and put the color on the frame. And what we will need to do is put the position to 0.055. Yeah, it will go down a bit, and I think so you need to click your GUI and click Zindex behavior, put to global, and then you need to click on your frame again and Zindex to 0. Yes, there you have this drop shadow, but it looks kind of weird, you know. So to get a non-weird shadow, duplicate your stroke or the outline thing and put it into your frame. There it will look a little bit better. But if you don't want your shadow to be like this out, click your frame and adjust it to like 0.44. Okay, if you still don't like it, you can still change it to like, I don't know, 3. Yeah, I like that. There you have the UI. Now we need to actually create the points label, like to show your clicks. Right now, all we can see is like your clicks thing and this click button that gives clicks. What we want is a text that shows how you can displays your amount of clicks you have. So first of all, do what I taught you guys before, the size 0.1, like that. And then now you can resize it to whatever you like. Okay, and this. I think I like that size. So if you want, you can actually just click Control and select all your elements in your button except for logo script, your frame, and the text label. If you have a text label, so Control D, duplicate it, drag it into the text label, and then it's gonna be the same. So now, okay, it might seem weird, so go to the stroke size and put like a bigger size to your liking. I like this size, so okay. Actually, yeah, we need to duplicate our frame. Sorry guys. Duplicate our frame and put it inside the text label. And we need to, okay, the stroke, we need to put it to the same size as the stroke. And we need to move it down a bit. So I will try 0.55 again. Yeah, I like that. And the text label, you can put anything you want. I'll just put it clicks loading, even though it's not even loading. And click. Actually, wait, never mind. Put put the text do nothing, text transparency 1, and oh yeah, you can rename your elements like, okay, I'll just do click button and text label, so this clicks display. There you have it. Now I'm going to put this to the middle of the screen, like here, and we will make it display. Oh yeah, wait. Okay, so copy the text label, put it inside text display, then you have this again. Okay, clicks loading. There you have it, a text that's white. If you don't want it white, you cannot insert the text label. You can just do text transparency 0 and put whatever you like, and then the text color you can adjust. I'll put it to nothing because I want it white. Text transparency 1. Okay, now we will make it display the amount of clicks. Okay, so in your clicks display text, add insert a local script. Delete the print hello world thing, it doesn't matter, and do local player equals game.players. Oh, the code assist already did it for me, so I'll just click tab, and it also did. Okay, local leader stats. Okay, this is a variable. Okay, variable, that means you can like use it instead of typing like game.players.local player. Don't do it like that, okay? Since you already did this, you can actually just put player. Yeah, so leader stats equals player wait for child leader stats, then you'll do wow, wait, okay, yeah, wow, actually wow true do, and do wait, and you can actually just put nothing in. You can actually just put nothing in the gaps, and then drop a line, script.parent.text, the parent of, which means the parent of the script, which is the texting. Oh yeah, to the ones that put white color, you just need to do script.text label. Okay, so script the parent, and we need to find this text label. Okay, I'll change the name to label. Dot label. Wait, text label. Script dot parent. Okay, wait. Okay. Scripts dot parent dot label, yes, dot text equals, so your text is like, I don't know, just copy your text, put it in here, but instead you can actually just delete this. You can, the amount which is loading, well, you need an amount thing, or you can just put it a number, but that will be more confusing. Then you just delete it, but make sure you have a space here. Yeah. Dot leader stats dot clicks dot value. Actually, your leader stats. Okay. So if you created your leader stats like tabs, Then instead of doing clicks, you need to put it to your name, your number value instance. Copy the name of it and you can just put it down here. Then I think we're done here, right? Yeah, let's just try to play. There you see the clicks display instead of saying loading. Click, 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 and it displays the amount of clicks or taps we have. But also, if you want to remove this button color thing that basically like makes it darker, if you want to remove that, you can also click your click button and auto button color, put it to false. Then we can click without the color changing. Click, 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 and it will add clicks and it will display the clicks amount 15. Yes, we have a working displayer and we have also a working click button and it's also stylized. So that's gonna be it for today's tutorial. Bye guys.